come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my.
Be on penny young for the same many big chanic. Don't know near Tipa, now Pony Uncle so. Nina may be chaka.
The main joke, I cry one got a bit.
Wow, Tiviasa crowd, Sergeant Bonnet.
What's a woo?
What is the water? Because who know you are wanting pa? A woman, I will.
Who knows actually was asked rich.
What's rich than not so till Mumna?
Yes, it is.
After all,
It's my power.
sure.
Yes, it is. Yes, you find a money payable new. Once will be in your active now with Dinny Bonnet, no being tears. None in your active one will no being tears. Charlie, what we do story by Wonder, the book of Genesis story be a King Abel. You see King Kunin Yakitwebe now. What we did be about it?
Yeah.
It's a nice story, man.
Yeah.
It is our story. What did you say? Be to me, Seer.
Adams. Are you okay?
I'm 100% okay. And I'm busy about something. Obeji this way. Opin me ake to abeti me dini ni apenyi boni bi na ni apenyi no. Anso adwun boni abani trim na we dini boni bi.
Adams, what's going on? Why all these questions?
They are just some imaginations we
Ube show be no number no abodam. And I be do baby na young boy. Then the poster down obituary
gone to
beware of job na boda ho no wuni pa na wu fala no dey want ase na ye say ya no me bi say ya o me bi say ya no ni asire so na adwen bone she otri
so bi enim ne yonko trim asem
obi ase dey sa na tie obi ase so obi akra do wa adue sa na obi ase na tie na
sa boy be kan so a
na what if you blaze em da they are to him to be free. They are
I want to call you so what me the idea born on my
oh, and not they depended. It depended. So, I'll call you now with now, dear, but I'll call you now, dear.
No, so
yes, they was a woman is able to Bonia.
They become
one and not to bow, but a
cyber
baby, Mojani, Jinaun, and no have been a Jinaun. 2 years unia bania nipa fili o Philippines ozo bia obi bania ma nipa na sideda abi o Philippines ya na ya
very funny pa
me makuti abo me
alo bobi okuti a
Debi se me come ase
nkomo ni edi
debi me makuti abo papa me se makuti a aputo aputo ifana nyahu ati nipa onwini nipa on dem ifana nyahu
wa wunia onini na emoja ba
wani tia se nipa no se ni na sa si akiri wa bodam
wa kan wa se me wi ase
land Just land. But Ubia catch up about 1-1. Never for. It's what I do.
Baby, come a dream.
Baby, I'm not in Yana. One in Yana who know funny and it's a question.
When I started banning your opinion, it
no, it's a dream when you were creating more tongue. You, it's an tongue. Ah, them. Down, usually zooming or them. Baby dance and will pay. How come you appear? I need you. I don't know a person force to pay. I need you. I dream when you're done, you can bring the book to the dormitory. I dream Bonini, a bonny wicked person. Wicked. Shame on to you. Wicked, a bastard. Son of a rascal. Innocent boy. Disposable.
John, uncle.
And one why you know. And one why you winning. I dare why you many papa. And one why you boy we didn't name and in Kasuma.
Quite am the best fast school.
Say number 5 more. So I say share, yes shit. Because improve ye prove. Because you know ye dog.
Me met me at it and I'm on one cassation and walk on for school.
It's if I say oh crown rabbit matiti no na me miss abekan on one no do ko they are stretch
the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me person me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me penkwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso meya. Me person me come any months so we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
What's up? Where's the woman? Who's the school? Who's why on his side? It's a one thing from Fleur, so when I was saying. Oh, I said, they will use school money now. And I also a smart seminar. And I also as a white drinks from we smart. Oh, sorry, I'm not. What advice me say? And a precious no minja the chidi na minja get as a who person just as a who to me for say oh me nim the air person watch. One say me she one say oh precious no. One say what's happen? So what's happen?
Charlie. Ten na wo humi na nsin say oh ye nema bi na me nya the reason nti a wo yes
say kwasasem na wodi no. Aroma kwasasem na wodi no say me wi aso ade me kira ni say obi be yusu na adwen ama me. O de be catch am say you Scanty. They say no girl no me Aroma me na me pe no me pese me ko girl no me pese me ne na me hu say ye bia me na me no benya na me no wanya wo no ho ana say competition ba wo be wa adwen say as a wo tu me fo said baby am wona nye na wo be shewa. What do you mean?
Men tu fu bia. Besides, vibes now, girl need feeling. You know,
feel it.
Together, don't like what you do, and me can't say minimum be here. We are just friends. That's all. I don't know what it. We are just friends, bro.
You mean we are just friends with Precious?
We are friends, man.
Or you think I don't know what's going on there? I don't know. Like, me, you swag your mammy. Me play smart from
now. Precious no ordering. Who is she to you?
Pressure is my girl.
Your girl?
She's not my ex. She's my girlfriend.
You're funny, Adams. You're just funny.
Because Menka says she's my ex, so that you find a ways and means to still continue with her.
Yo, the thing is, I wanted to keep things on the low. We imagine saying me this here one side, but since why you so be renaming? Let me tell you, the girl is mine. Now you can't say you come here. Why not only Precious call live first? She is my girl. She was my girlfriend before you came. Lebwa.
What do you call her Wenjano?
Massa.
Ujana nas Wenjano.
Everybody, you know, we all mess up and you know we learn. You understand? You mess up. I think I did, and I've realized my mistakes, and I'm willing to, you know,
you're willing to continue with her again.
Me, I won't lie to you. I can't keep it away. I don't care. I can't hide it from you anymore. She's my girl, so Charlie, back off.
Hey, Aroma.
You had a girl, you had Precious, you had her. Now I'm treating you as a few sir, and I'll be your then.
But I don't know, so you are very weak.
Who is talking about wickedness? Oh, can't be
very wicked, Aroma. Na see me no. Into who say girl no. I was so catch me say you. I want to go back to my girl, so just leave her for me.
Tell you as who? You as who? You as who? I like as Precious Papa and answer then. Tell you as saying, bro. When the Precious so call line, what you saw your ex, but only no call line. Did you inform me? No. Man, you sure bad no. You say it's a small number. You say can you know na timika. Maybe you should doma. We you should bleed.
Okay.
You understand?
That was Adibu blade Mitra Doma and Mintra.
Sir, I don't.
So yeah, right.
Then
You will never be blow blade a bit Mitra Doma and Mintra.
my chap Adams. My chap 2 bit me acha.
And they say so bit to Trafa Doma and Mitra. Me the blade and be cha baby I won't say blade no. It's me chacha Doma.
Wow.
Why?
You can Charlie. The thing is, maybe can't just say you and you. Bit me try. You can try.
Until I say for Doma and Mitra make me blade and be try in I try.
She's mine, bro. The girl is mine. So back off, Charlie. The baby thing on the jaw long. Only plan out your
long. Say so open say only minya e wo ba ho a. Open say only minya e wo ba ho school mu a. Open say only me e compete wo ba ho a then we live to see.
Yeah, now hey me no nya oba ho. Adam bit me nya oba ho.
Aroma, me to nya ntimi.
Oba ho. Yo, meba. Wuni mo ntimasi yo. Mo say I say me what this kind of innocent character be. Adams, who bet me nya oba ho. You don't know me. I love to keep things innocent. So that I say me keeping on the low ni sir. But only me nya oba ho.
Don't talk much. Young compete. Why?
Then.
Okay.
All the best. Shiji. Wow, one.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me Pankwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with your Maya. Me person me come any months with Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hello, I be like.
Hey. Stand where you are. Hey, stand there. But do you think I have time for you that? Huh? Stand there, Precious. So all that we're doing, all the insults, everything, trying to play as a hard girl, it was because of your ex. That my stupid brother, Aroma. You wanted to go back to your ex. That's why you were doing all this. Hey, Precious. That means when at you.
Scanty, but you wanted me back, right?
I wanted you back. But between me and your ex, me and that's your ex, me and Aroma, like if the two of us want you back, who do you think fits you?
I will never choose you. I will never, even in my next life, I will never choose you.
You never choose you.
You, I even regret dating you in the first place. Why would I come back to you? Sometimes when I sit down, I wonder who you are. I wonder if you are even a normal person. Because you don't act normal, Scanty. There is no way I will leave you and in my right senses come back to you.
Precious, are you okay?
I should be asking you whether you are okay. Are you okay, Scanty?
Okay, listen, I understand the fact that you don't need me or you didn't love me or blah 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 or whatever. But if it was to be any other guy out of campus or anywhere else, but between me and Aroma.
Scanty.
Precious.
Do you know what you are talking about?
I really know what I'm talking about, but you don't know what you are doing.
What do you think you are talking about? Will you choose yourself over Aroma? You, if you had a chance to come back again with a good mind and a good look, are you
trying to insult
me? You would have chosen Aroma's body 10 times. So don't talk as if what I have done is wrong. Choose you over Aroma. And then when you say, if you would choose yourself over Aroma, then you are not wise.
And you are not even ashamed of what you are even saying.
Why should I be ashamed? I'm very proud. I'm very proud I have the eyes to tell that Aroma is better than you. I'm very wise. So I know what I'm taking.
Then let me tell you, if you think you are very wise, let me tell you that what you are doing is you are very stupid.
Oh, okay.
Don't you know that Aroma is my brother?
So
Don't you know that it's some blood covenant?
I've already done
that.
that, so I don't have any problem with it now.
So you've already done that, so you don't have any problem doing that again, right? Precious, let me tell you, first fool is not a fool, second fool is not a fool, but third fool is a fool.
But this is my second try.
This your third trial. This is your third trial. You are fooling. Let me tell you.
You know, I don't mind you calling me a fool.
You don't mind me calling you
because you yourself, you don't even know the best thing. You can't tell between the wrong and the right. So me, I'm not really taking any offense.
I even wanted to tell you this. Let's put everything aside. Nowadays, I'm not myself because I regret doing something. Some big mistake that I never thought I would ever do that in my life. And that biggest mistake is being in a relationship with someone like me.
Yeah, me too. The parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah.
Say, you are going to class, you are going to stay. Hey, Master, I'm not doing it out of the town. Are they? Ah, that's why you boo. Hey, Headmaster, and I'm playing to Akuma. Eh? You know, Biani Eke, Biani Eke. Headmaster Moore. Tim German Crank to get you a Timakuma, a catch a momunti. German Crank to we at Timakuma. Ma will say, would be upon your bone with your young. Eh? You must have a woe. Free up. I must have a woe. Free Mr. Quantum. This will be on town child, isn't this so cocoa and no bread and again?
Yeah, me back what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me, yeah. Me pass me come any monster jam.
Now dear, oh, let's have plan now when it's on our job plan sim. Tika bibi tona, Akakwa Okoya go and Casava tono. And I will pressure so the woman may necessary and make us and cry. Relationship fumbia mum. I must say, Fana. Every time change via relationship with woman in our modern time. And just come up relationship with we are seeing our modern time. Modern and Yamakonia Mefra, more relationship with. And show I am a time. Oh, and now what dear, what dear, China to move our park. So, what dear, what's them cried every time, cry, what's them machine, what's them more bonso. Oh, I want my boy, you know, Bonini to say, Bonini, I want my boy. What you want to you know, one pie in China compose, or a choir of a fast or bit Masana, get us our Daniel. One pie and minutes at Tiarum now, Bokutia.
Ukasaria hunyansa na famechina kwa
you ti free ne so na me de tan
boy fe se ukasaria hunyansa na famechina kwa
na fe amo nyame betwa mo kan mai mo nyame betwa mo kan mai se mu sua de abetwa exams me bo mu sua de abetwa exams na mu twa tu kra na me sum nyame wata so se mu twa tu say a over 100 a mu nyina mu twa 0 no more repeating. See us. There's a me yelly. Oh, see us. Oh, Mamma say, Chinia. Mamma Gassy, you best go out for now, my flat fair. And Mamma sent to her, Mamma. Hey, precious. I'm bet to we are, Papa. So the question penny with as I have a back. Was a penny report was another back. Ah? I don't the yarn there, Cassaron.
Who did Jimmy Casa was so?
I don't know, the Biabus as a person name me as a person name Cumbiaze.
One hour didn't talk on
And so one at me, a BMB from a bow. It's the other mamma says on the do. Wouldn't talk with she shall mean woman so that. I'll bet imagine him no. Boy, and a question as a lane. Man. When question as a lane. Share, or not so one is one cassa hair. Share more or mucho. More or much letter. Precious. I dare why you know. And maybe shall come home. Number shall raise to the power 4. Oh, I come up ball precious. Have a house. Nipping Kaya. Brahma bro, precious. In you talk now, we try all to talk. Now, me mouse. Now, you'll be infinity. Me make cut a hour. Mamaki cut the M. Mamaki cut the shimmy to me. A shimmy, Mamaki can't run on the car. A show me many. What it? Try my show, boy, my boy was who are. They treasures, none of their poor, remember the amount. Now, me trap for now, 100. Nina, okay. Unkade my money na. Na me if you make catch up, Brahma bro. Pressure. Me can't name me, yeah. Bro. Mine kusinade. Mine kusinade.
Opoku.
What's it about?
Opoku.
Blah. Fa kusese mu de wo kasa de me de kra. Ade. What's it about?
For your own benefit, Pray.
Tell it not to touch me. Oh.
Tell.
What's it?
Let's me nipa. Oh. Pastor to channel cry one friend it me Opoku na friend me. Opoku mi am to pen ewa we.
This is the second time I work say tia me Opoku.
Na we nipa be.
So what sign ka say tia me bi mu.
Ale we wine.
Opoku.
Me ka say tia we wine.
Respect yourself Opoku. Asa.
We wine.
Baby, what should I do?
We wine.
Babe, tell me what to do.
Onye bibia ono oda aboneke do. Onye bibi sisi a. Bedu anumre. Ono oda aboneke. Na ne be ma bia so. Kan ke be ne feke ke wodom ho. Oda aboneke de jeja ono be ma bia so. Muso na me Dallas. Kame wa paso bi apaso twa flowers. Me wo bi se me chobos no. Kame twa be man influ, kame yi hu. Me yi hu ni na mana kasi. So Jimmy. Kame yi be man hu ni na ma be ma kasi. Ade be se be ma kasi.
No, I did. No, I did.
Osile.
Na
I know na person say em family ni agro. Obi a oda abone kete de family ni agro. Wate. Oh, who is a bear in a private part, but yeah, boys, the who is in private. You who is a secret, yeah, when. What it?
I feel you have an information. Opoku, should have for me.
Limita Casa, Jumbe, and me. Jukwan,
Now you did. Ah. Why are what chibi as a quantity no more disappointing queen? Answer. Na Jimmy, book in the ground.
Bro, Charlie. Learn. Go on.
They are in that shimmy.
Don't waste your time.
What Jimmy? Oh, who didn't answer? Whoever wants to run him. My boy, am I?
Opoku me.
But also fighting.
Opoku me.
Like, blah. So, for them, but about one of one man, Pia was Sran and Hannah to blah. That's why. As your four. Muna me coming. Yeah, grow Jimmy.
Let me tell you something. You are a good boy. How do you want to waste your life? Can't you stop this nonsense?
Sir, it is involuntary. I was born with it, sir.
You see, you have such an underlying condition. Instead of you to concentrate on your books so that you better your life, you want to waste your life on women.
Sir, which woman?
Which woman?
So I stayed here. I stayed very hard. I'm a very intelligent person.
You are calling yourself intelligent. Let me tell you something. I know you are not a bad boy. You are not stubborn. But you are trying to be one. That girl is your senior. For crying out loud. She's your senior.
So which girl are you talking about, sir?
Which girl did I see you with?
Bernice.
Who else?
So she's nothing to me. She wanted me to escort her to get some things. That's why I was PSA.
So you were escorting her?
So you see, it was getting late. It was getting late and she didn't want to...
she didn't get anyone.
So she didn't want to walk alone. And I was the only person at the...
You see, I'm telling you this because I don't want you to worry yourself. I don't want you to end up in trouble. I don't want you to waste your life. That's why I'm talking to you. Other than that, who cares?
So there is nothing like that going on, to be honest.
If there's nothing like that going on, then what I can tell you is you have to be careful. Be very, very careful. Huh?
Easy.
Why Bernice?
It's like you are trying to force her on me.
I'm not forcing her. Who's trying to force her on you? Are you mad? Didn't I see you?
I'm sorry, sir. So you saw us working together.
I saw you people working together in a compromised, position, and you are telling me I'm trying to force her on you. Do I look like a small boy? Huh? Am I Yokoyiko?
Sir, no, sir.
Then why are you telling me that nonsense?
Sir, I'm being honest with you, seriously, sir. She was just...
You better be honest to yourself. You think I care? I don't. The only thing is I just don't want you to fall in trouble. That's all. But if you think that's what you want, so be it. So you can go.
So, are you sure you don't care?
What do you mean by imaginary? Leave her. Foolish boy.
Thank you, sir.
Idiot.
pennies. Why? This small boy, and he's not even well.
Yeah, me pen what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come anymore.
Take this one. My dear, come and sit here.
I'm saying, actually,
Hey, come and sit here.
say my J is supposed to sit here.
Let or come, my dear, come and sit. Come and sit here. Hey, my dear, come and sit here. Come and sit here.
My J, come and sit down. You see,
Ah,
I don't want to feel you're not staying. Come and sit down.
Opoku, come, stand up. Stand up. Stand up! Like you say, you have a job. Opoku, stand up. I told you people every day, learn, and I learning, and I can't, and then you, what did you say? That day. Activate it here.
My J, sit down. What you do? Sit down, stop talking. Sit down and do it. Sit down. Why are you panicking? Sit down. Hey, Dabu, I don't like the better when you sit down. Hey, sit down. Are you ready to write like that? Hey, what is the time? Look at it. It's almost 10. Hey, sit down. I don't sit down. Precious. No, do it today. Sit down. Sit down. You come here a bit. Who brought this book? You know you're not supposed to bring any foreign material in the house. And how about you? Are you serious? Sir Black, please take these materials from me. Take everything from me. Come, Stop. Sit down. Sit down. Scanty, wake up. Wake up. Come and sit here. Wake up. Come and sit down. Sit here. Precious. Come.
Yes, Mr. The whole
Scanty. Keep quiet and sit down. Don't disturb. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. No, please come up. You don't know what I'm saying. Sit down. Adams. Say hey. Yeah. Come and sit. from the darkness, I will feel our face. Come on, we'll see that. So I think
it's a question of promise.
Sit down. We have arranged you according to this. And from A to Z. Sit down, stop talking. Sit down. Finish it. Hey, sit down. Okay, good. I like that movement. Yeah, it's perfect. So that's how I went to do. So the finish the final paper, the last paper. And then, I wish you all the best. No foreign materials, no peeping, no examination or practice. All the best. Keep quiet and stop talking. Yes, this is officials from YA will soon bring the question defense because they want them to start. So I'm meeting them. I wish you all the best. Okay, right. Whatever we do, I'll get back. I hope you are all don't stubborn. What are you counting them for? Listen to me. I'm the master of the house, the supervisor, invigilator. The person ready to make neat work, no open work. My dear, what's wrong? Are you sick? What's your problem? What's your problem? Forward it to me. Let it out. My dear, you know what? That's not time now. Yeah, that's mass.
And